TrackMyRisks is the compliant golden thread solution for your higher risk buildings. From maintenance records and inspection certificates to policies, risk assessments, and regulatory evidence, everything is structured, version controlled, and securely managed in one platform. No more chaotic folders or expired documents. Every activity is recorded and evidenced, creating a clear audit trail and a single source of truth. Built to scale, TrackMyRisks supports single buildings or entire portfolios, standardizing your approach and strengthening governance across your organization. Use standalone or fully integrated with the Building Safety Register app, you can generate your safety case report, link evidence directly from your TrackMyRisks golden thread, and export a complete regulator-ready submission. TrackMyRisks, saving lives and careers. Visit our website to book a demo and speak to our team.